Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our computer. Now in the last class I have explained chapter number 6, the keyboard and its keys. So see that video one more time so you can revise that chapter. Now we will be doing the exercise, of this chapter. Look at the keys given below. Can you find how many alphabet keys and numeric keys are there? Write the numbers in the spaces provided. Now see here, keys are given. Of the keyboard we have to find how many alphabet keys are there and how many numeric keys, that is how many number keys are there. So let us count. So students, see this one. This is alphabet key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 alphabet keys are there. We'll write over here. And now let us count how many number keys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 number keys are there. So let us write over here. Okay. Now see the next question. Color the keys with the letters of your best friend's name in green on the keyboard below. Also color the keys with the numbers of your roll number in orange. Okay, this is your homework. What you have to do? You have to color the name of your best friend. जो भी आपके best friend का name है उसके alphabets यहाँ पे find करो और उसको green में color करो. और आपका roll number, what is your roll number? उसके जो भी numbers है उसको orange color से color करना है. Okay, so this you can do for homework. Now see, Jumbo the elephant is playing a game on the computer, but some of the keys of the keyboard have fallen into the pond. Identify the keys that have fallen into the pond and write them in the space provided. Okay. See here, some of the keys are missing in the keyboard. So what we have to do? They are given over here. Okay, they have fallen in the pond. So we have to identify the keys and we have to write it. Okay. See, here the column is given. Missing keys. कौन सी keys missing है? Let us see. First, let us start with here. Start with the first line. What is missing over here? 1 number hai. The 2 number is missing. Then again 3, 4, 5, 6 number is there and 7 number is missing. So number 2 and 7 is missing, which we will write over here. Yes. Then see the second line. The first key is missing, which is Q. Now students, you can also see इसके पहले के जो pages है उसमें पूरा keyboard दिया हुआ है. So you can also see that keyboard. तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन सी key missing है. So here Q is missing and here the shift key. Okay, shift is there. Caps lock key is missing and here G is missing. And over here, which key will be there after M? It will be the comma key. So that we'll write over here. Let us write. See, the Q key is missing. Yes. Then caps lock key is also missing. Yes. Then over here G is missing, and here the comma key is missing. So let us write that. Here and here. See, this key is missing. See that key on the previous picture of the keyboard, so you will understand, students. Okay. Then, okay, here the arrow key is missing. See, this arrow key is missing, so we'll write that. Okay, here I am not being able to insert that shape, students, so I am writing over here right arrow key. Okay, then what else is missing? Let us see. Yes, then see over here. 7, 8 is there. 9 number is missing. 4, 5. 9 and 5 number key is also missing. So write over here. Yes. And over here 5 is missing. And which one more key is missing over here? See, this is the enter key. So we'll write over here enter. Okay. So students, again you see the keyboard. Okay, इससे पहले जो complete keyboard है आप उसमें देखो, you will understand which keys are missing. Now see the fill in the blanks. We need a dash to write on a computer. What do we need to write? We need a keyboard. If we want to write on a computer, we will need a keyboard. Then there are two sets of, कौन सी कीज के two sets होते हैं? Number keys. So write over here number. Then the longest key on the keyboard. Which key is the longest key? The space bar. So write over here space bar. Okay, then the dash key is pressed to move the cursor to the next line. If we want to move the cursor to the next line, we will press the enter key. Yes. Then the dash key erases anything typed to the right of the cursor. If you want to delete anything to the right hand side of the cursor, we will use the delete key. Okay. Now see the true or false. Alphabet keys are used for typing words and sentences. Yes, that is true. If we want to type words and sentences, we will use alphabet keys. Then see the next one. There are two sets of alphabet keys on the keyboard. No, this is wrong. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. There is only one set of alphabet keys. Then The space bar is used to insert spaces. Yes, that is true. If we want to insert space between two words, we will use space bar. Then the backspace key erases anything typed to the left of the cursor. Yes, if we want to erase anything to the left of the cursor, we will use the backspace. Then the arrow keys are used to move the cursor in different directions. Yes, that is also true. Now, see the next page. Okay. Color the boxes in the grid with the letters that make up the names of all keys. Okay. So this is your homework. You find out space bar. See over here it is there. Then delete, enter, backspace. You find them over here and you color it. Okay. Yes. Now see, who am I? I am the longest on the keyboard. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? It is the space bar. Okay. Then I am used to delete the character to the right of the cursor. If we want to delete to the right of the cursor, we will use the delete key. Then I am the key which helps you delete the character to the left of the cursor. If you want to delete anything to the left, we will use the backspace. Then I am the key used to move the cursor to the next line. If you want to move the cursor to the next line, we will use enter. Yes. Then circle the keys that are wrong and mark them to make them correct in the picture. Okay. Now this is also your homework. You can see the keyboard from the last pages and just see कि कौन सी की अपनी जगह पे नहीं है. This is just like an activity. You can just circle the wrong keys. Okay, students? Okay, so we have completed the exercise of chapter number 6, the keyboard and its keys. So complete till page number 66 in your computer textbook, and then we will continue with the next chapter in the next class.